High off-market transactions refer to trades outside the stock exchange platforms involving a direct exchange of assets between two parties. To illustrate, consider a scenario where you wish to transfer your shares from one brokerage firm, let's say XYZ, to another broker, such as Groww. In this instance, the transaction is executed directly between XYZ and Groww, without involving a stock exchange. These transactions refer to off-market transactions. Such transactions become visible in your portfolio once they are reflected in your demat account, in this case, Groww's account. Typically, it takes approximately 2 days from the transaction date for off-market transactions to be processed. Now, accessing and viewing these holdings depends upon the existing broker. This means that for any transfer of shares from an existing broker to Groww, the request must first be processed by the existing broker, in our case, XYZ. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.